Today, again, we want to talk about Ratchet Whores.
That why?
Ratchet Whores. So you whores are ratchet. So you know what we gotta do. You already know, Tevo. Come over here, man.
Tell him, bro.
Oh, you already know what we have to do. You gonna hit up in there? Bitch, take a bath. Yeah, you stink. Take a bath. Ho. Yeah, you stink. Take a bath. Right now.
Yeah.
Bitch, you stink. Bitch, you stink. Bitch, you stink like old man shank. You smell like an old man ass. You smell like an old man balls. You smell like an old man ass. You smell like an old man balls. You gotta hit that remix on that motherfucker. Little tail go back there. His ass stank like swag club. Oh, that nigga smell like shit. He smell like old man dirty ass bitch. Man, that shit gay. I don't know why I said it. I don't know. No, really. I gotta stop it right now. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. I gotta hit my Delano Ever swag. My dick smell like old man Wixie dust.
Ooh.
That's nasty. Your pussy smell like old man dust sperm.
Ooh, he can't even nut no more.
Your mama pussy is so old that I tried to eat it and I died.
Ooh, pass on that bitch. Amen, fan this motherfucker.
Also, if you don't subscribe my YouTube page,
bitch, we coming after you.
Your dick smell like horse shit and your pussy also smell like horse shit.